one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
I see a clear pathway in the snow, stretching forward towards the sunlight. And the Lord says, trust in me that I am the one who is clearing the path for you. When you've been waiting for direction, trust in me that I will guide you as we walk forward together. As you take one step, I'm right there by your side. As you begin moving, I will direct you. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you. Trust that I am the one who walks by your side. Step forward in faith, knowing that I will show my faithfulness to you. For I am the Lord who walks with you. I am the one who is bringing clarity and peace to your heart. I am the one who is reassuring you of my presence, reassuring you that I am with you always. As you move forward, I will melt away the blockages. I will melt away the hindrances. Step forward in faith. Step forward trusting that I'm with you.
To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.